Hello and welcome back to this video. I'm going to show in this week the S&P 500, the 5-minute chart, what happened from Monday until Friday. All right, so let's get it. So this is the chart from Monday, 5-minute. We will use our indicator that is helping us to get into trades, long or short. All right, I don't want to waste any of your time. Let's get straight into it. We will start at 3 p.m. European time because I'm in Europe, but this is 9 a.m. New York, just to be clear. And this is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so all what I show you here is just what I do and what I like to trade. It's just what I do. What you do, it's up to you. All right, so we got another setup. Immediately on Monday, we would enter the trade. Here you can see the big control bar pushing up. That was very important. This is 3:40, just 10 minutes after New York opens. We enter the trade. We put our stop loss 9 points. We target 9 points, and that's a winner. Perfect. Let me just give you here the money sign so we can count it after. And we will just watch the signal or setups until 6 p.m. my time. So it's around 12 to noon in New York. All right, let's go to Tuesday. So we got one trade today. This is Tuesday. We start again at 3 p.m. my time, 9 a.m. New York. We get here a signal, which is kind of before just 3:30. I would not like to take this because of the volatility. So it's difficult to know if we will go up and down, and we are straight in the middle of this kind of range. I will not take this trade. This is just what I will do. All right, if you want to take it, you can. But then we see a big move coming. You can see here, down, big seller. Let me show you. Big seller pushing down. Up, big rejection candle on the 5-minute, a big rejection candle on the top here, 5-minute, telling us this is a inverted hammer, which means sellers pushing. So this seller is actually active. Look, this is the seller, and he showed us, hey, I'm still here, I want the price to push down, and this is what he did. And then we got a signal that was actually perfect. The blue line crossed the 200, the VWAP, and the 20 EMA. Look at that. Beautiful. We got another attempt from the buyers to push the price up. No. Look at this big move down. Boom, boom. So we enter the trade on the GBI below the body. We have a stop loss of 3-4. Let's put it 4, and we can target 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, depends on what you trade. But I will trade at least 1-to-1 and another winner. Very fast. All right, and was perfect timing as well. Another winner. Great. We can continue watching, and then we can see here another signal we get. A control bar strong, and then we would enter this trade here below the body. We will stop loss 10. It's stop loss a little bit big here, so I don't like that. And by the way, we would not be triggered here. You see that? We will not get into this trade. So after 2-3 candles like this, I will remove my sell stop and I would not take it. So that would be not a loser, right? And then this is until 5-6 my time, nothing else anymore. So we have one trade that we took. Here's another setup. If you see, works out great. And here push down. But that's one trade for Tuesday. Let's go to Wednesday. Big news, you can see. 2:30, so that's 8:30 New York. Big push up. So you never know on those big information news events what's going to happen after. We can see here we got one signal here, but that was 540. Yeah, we can still take this. We had the blue line crossing down. I like this. Below the red one, the 20, of course. And if we take this trade, really, like we stick to the indicator, we would enter the trade here. Our stop loss will be 3. Let's put 4 points. Let's see if this is a loser. 4 points. We target 4 points. Yeah, that would be a loser. All right. So no winner if we take this trade, and that's a loser. Here we go. Let's continue. We are not trading this anymore. Like I said, we just watched 2-3 hours, but you can see a lot of trades here, but a loser. So Wednesday, -1. All right, Thursday. What do we have Thursday? We don't have much signals or setups from the indicator. Well, we have trades here, but I'm just showing you in these videos this indicator, the GBI, RBI, where to take, but I'm not showing you more technical advanced stuff because this video is more for beginners. All right, so what do we have here? Nothing Thursday on the 5-minute. Let's go to Friday. What do we have Friday? Well, we have something. All right, Friday we had news too. Yes, at 2:30, you can see that. And then we got immediately at 3 a big push up. We take the first trade because this is what we do. We enter above the body, below the candle, 4 points. Here we go. We target 4 points. And that's a winner. So Friday, we got a winner very fast. Here we go. Then we continue. All right, market opened here, 3:30 my time, blah, blah, boom, up, down. And then we got a big sort of a signal here. What I don't like with this setup, it's one thing. This here, this is all a resistance area. So sellers are here living. This trade is very risky to take, and I would not take it. If this candle, for example, I will show you this one. If this candle would be, for example, here, up. So that means you subscribe and like this video. This candle closed the body here up, I would take this trade. But right now, I will not take it because it's just too risky going straight into a resistance. I will not take it, so I will not count this as a trade. This candle here is very nice. You see now the difference between this candle or this one. This candle closed above the resistance. You see that? And that's very important because here there were the sellers kind of pushing down the price. So it's more risky to take that. But this one, this is a breakout candle, strong, giving us confidence that this will be more likely to hit our target. So we enter here, we target the stop loss 3 points, we target 3 points, another winner. So this is how I trade, and you can do the same. Just watch my explanation and retest and go back test everything. You can do a back test for 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, and you will see a proof this works. All right, so this is 2 trades today. And exactly, we finish our session. Okay, let's check now the weekly results. We got 1 trade positive on Monday. We have another trade positive on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we have a loser. So this is -1 trade. And on Thursday, no signals, at least for the first 1-2 hours. And Friday, we got 2 trades. So in total, we have, again, 1 trade, 2, 3, 4, and 1 loser, 3. So we have 3 profitable trades, 4 winners, 1 loser. So if you risk 500 per trade for this setup, you would make 1,500 profit this week. Just trading the 5-minute and just waiting for our setup, our GBI, RBI. If you risk 100 per trade, Well, you would make $300. $300, euros, pounds, whatever is your currency. It's a lot of money, depending, of course, where you live in the world. 500, 1,500. I know people, they don't make 1,500 per month salary. This, you will make 1,500 this week. And I need to say again, I am not a financial advisor. If you trade, you can lose all of your money. Trading is difficult. I'm just showing you what works for me. All right? So if you risk $1,000 on the trade, you would make 3,000 this week. It really depends on your risk factor. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. Ask me questions, send me an email. What you like me to show you next time, maybe a different currency, a different time frame, because a lot of people contacted me. Please do the 5 minute, not the 15 or not the 2 minutes. So this is what I did for this week, and for next week we will see what you would like to see. Have a great day and see you next time.
You click subscribe, like, and see you next time.